Step 1. Safety preparation and loosening bolts. Using tools, evenly loosen the 6 side wall bolts, 3 on each side, on both sides of the crusher. Step 2. Loosen the preload bolts on the spring pull rod. Step 3. Rotate the set screw, adjusting bolt, on the adjusting seat to create sufficient working clearance between the adjusting seat and the adjusting shim set. Step 4. Adjusting the clearance, core principle. Increasing the number of shims reduces the discharge port clearance. Decrease the number of shims increases the discharge port clearance. Adjust the clearance to the target value by adding/removing shims. Step 5. Tightening and completion. First, retighten the spring pull rod bolts to the specified torque. Then, evenly tighten the 6 side wall bolts on both sides. Clean the tools and start the equipment after confirming everything is in order.